Hey everybody, got another video for you. Got some new items in and I figured I'd go through and show them to you. Been playing with them. Actually I guess I should move this cover. Make it a little bit easier to see in the camera. Alright, first got in some new knives. Two of them I really like. And one of them I like, but it's okay. It's nothing special. That first one is this one. Has a little bit of attached paracord to it. Looks like it has like a blade on the edge here, but it's not. It's not sharp at all for cutting anything really. The blade itself has kind of I guess what some people would describe as a cool look. It looks like it's sharpened on the top. It's not. It's flat edge. The blade seems to be pretty sharp. The saw part down here is really sharp. It's nice and solid, kind of light. I mean, it's stainless steel, but it's not very heavy. So I haven't tested this one very much. Sharpened it. This will probably go into my everyday cheapo knife box, which is the reason I ended up getting these. Is I'm looking for some replacements because I've busted a few and had to pull some out of my cheapo knife box, so I need to replace those. Didn't expect to get a couple though that were actually really nice knives. The next one, this one is an MTech. It's got a really good feel to it. It's heavy. Got this blade. This is not super sharp, but it's sharp. You've got a slice. You can. I don't know if you can see it in there, but you can actually slice string or whatever, stick it through there, I guess. Hopefully you can see all this in the camera. It's pretty good size, as you can see. It's got a good solid weight, nice and solid. It's also adjustable for your for opening and closing, of course. Pretty nice knife. I like this one. This will probably go into be going into one of my good knife boxes. Oh, it's got a belt clip on it too. And then the third one I got is this. Again, nice solid heavy feel. Belt clip. This one has the window brake and seat belt cutter on it. Nice solid feeling. Blade. This is an MTech also. What's nice about this, nice and sharp. What I like about this though, it's got the wire strippers built into it. And the odd thing about all these knives, like I said, these two here are really solid. And so far, what I've done with them, they have held up to, the cutting and trying I've done. Everything from some hard oak wood to beating on them. They've held up pretty good. Additionally, one of the other things I was looking for is another what do you call it? Tactical pen. And the one that I've had is this one. It's just a gray. It's got a hard end on it, window brake on this end. Nice writing pen, and it's made out of titanium. Nice little thing, but other than being a writing utensil and a glass break type setup, there's not much else to it. Until I found this one. This one I've been playing with now for a bit. I really like it. It comes in a nice little box. Here's the pen. You get two sets of 3 batteries with it. You also get an extra, I'm not to get out of there. Well, basically it's an extra ink cartridge for it. Now what's nice is on the end is the glass break on that end. And screw it, and you've got a screwdriver, a little wrench, a bottle opener, and a little small knife blade. And it holds up pretty good. And the cool thing about this is they're coming out with blades that are interchangeable. So you'd be able to interchange blades with this thing. And it's solid. I mean, it's a nice feel, solid too. Pen doesn't feel cheesy or anything. Here's the pen pen side of it, I should say. And it's a nice writing. It's nice fluid writing too. I'm not really a connoisseur of pens, but I like it when it writes. And then the other nice little feature, a nice little LED light in it. And it's pretty bright, especially for something this small. I was able to see without a problem. It's got a pretty good distance on it, which you can't see in the camera, of course. Nice little light, though. I really like it. And then the last thing I got was, it says TAL on it. But it's a thermos style jug, and it was like $10. And my first thought is this would be perfect for attaching to your pack, your kit. And what's nice is it's got some nice features. It's good for 18 to 24 hours of keeping something cold or hot, and it does work. I've checked it. I've got a couple different types of these, and this one holds up just like the other ones do. I've been keeping cold in it. What I really like, though, you got the nice hand grab here, but they're quick off caps. So this one's a couple turns and that's it. But it's enough to keep your fluid in. And this one is a quick release. Just, I don't know if you can see inside. Stainless steel. It's a stainless interior, and it feels like aluminum, aircraft aluminum on the outside. But you notice how quick I did that cap. I mean, it's not no hassle. It's just a quick. That's it. And it kind of locks. And like I said, that was $10. By the way, those knives were all around $10 to $12. Like I said, I was looking to replace my cheapo knives, and I think I ended up with 2 really good ones. So I'm going to put them through even more testing to see how they hold up. So far, I'm pretty impressed for $12 knife for the 2 MTechs that I showed you. Anyways, that's it for the moment. I've got a few other things I'll be recording, and but for this one, that's it for now.